Hello, my name is Siddharth Pillai and welcome to Superstar Pals. Today I'm going to read a book called Pete the Cat and the Cool Cat Boogie by Kimberly and James Dean. So how about let's read this book? Ready? So if you want, you can read this to your friends or anybody. But let's get started. My name is Siddharth Pillai, remember? Pete the Cat was learning a new dance, the Cool Cat Boogie. When Grumpy Toad came along, I really did that song, but Pete, you did so wrong. Pete did not know what to say. He just turned and walked away. Oh no, what happened? Watch the videos of Pete the Cat and Amazon Prime too. Pete couldn't sleep at all that night. What if Grumpy Toad was right? What if my moves are bad? The thought of not dancing made Pete feel sad. But dancing is like magic. When I hear a groovy beat, I fall happy in my feet. I won't give up. I love to dance. Let me give it one more chance. Let's see what happens next. Pete was practicing the Cool Cat Boogie when he saw a squirrel. The squirrel's name is Sally in Amazon Prime. Hey squirrel, how do you dance? How do you move? Can you teach me how to move? Sure, Pete, it's a simple song. Just cha-cha-cha and dance along. So here they're dancing. You can see. Oh no. Squirrel, Sally the squirrel. That's not how this dance goes. Oh no, look, see? Pete did not know what to say. He just turned and walked away. But dancing is like magic. When I hear a groovy beat, I fall happy in my feet. I won't give up. I love to dance. Let me give it one more chance. Was still practicing the Cool Cat Boogie when Gus came along. Oh, hi Gus. Hey Gus, how do you dance? How do you move? Can you teach me? Can you teach me how to move? I'm talking about groove here, get it? Okay. Sure, Pete, it's a simple song. Just do the robot and dance along. Ooh. So here's doing the robot. You ready? Ouch! Pete, you bumped me on the nose. Oh no, that is not how this dance goes, said Gus. Pete did not know what to say. He just turned and walked away. Oh no, what will happen next? But dancing is like magic. When I hear a groovy beat, I fall happy in my feet. I won't give up, I love to dance. Let me give it one more chance. Next up. Pete was still trying to do the Cool Cat Boogie when Turtle came along. Oh, hi Turtle. Hey Turtle, how do you dance? How do you groove? Can you teach me how to move? What will he say? Sure, Pete, it's a simple song. Just shake your tail and dance along. Okay, here they are dancing. You see? as long as you are being you. What happens next? There, that's not finished. You are right. I never want to miss a chance to dance. When you hear a good beat and you feel happy in your feet, just dance, dance, dance. And this is how you do the Cool Cat Boogie. Cool Cat Boogie. I want to boogie with you. Grab your boogie shoes. Slide right, shake your tail. That means bottom, slide left, shake your tail. Now clap, clap, clap. Now clap, clap, clap. Real smooth, you got the move. Clap, clap, clap. Jump front, rock and roll. Jump back, rock and roll. That's it, you got to be like this, this, this. Grab your air guitar and rock like Pete. Do you want to hear a song that I made for a quick thing? Yeah, here we go. When you hear a groove beat and you feel happy in your feet, just dance, 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 dance. You're right, you are right. You're right, you're all right. You never want to miss a chance to dance. Ballerina, robot, ta-da. So what? Cool Cat Boogie, Cool Cat Boogie, Cool Cat Boogie. Bye-bye, see you next time. Cool Cat Boogie. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, turn on notifications. Also have a comment below. Bye, Cool Cat Boogie.